to draw their attention downward. And when they defend, you can strike them using direct force. When the opponent kicks, you can strike the Yongquan point. If they expose their back, you can strike their back. Acupoints on the soles of the feet, back, and head. Beginners should use with caution, because releasing these acupoints requires complex techniques, which can easily go wrong, so avoid using them. Usually, we focus on acupoints in the abdominal area. When striking the opponent's solar plexus, and abdominal acupoints, their reaction will be to clutch their stomach, lower their head, and bend over, holding their abdomen, but they won't fall down. Let me demonstrate.